Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the fascinating world of data science, one of the most in-demand fields of the 21st century. Ever wondered how Netflix knows just what you want to watch next, or how those self-driving cars navigate the streets? Stick around, I've got the answers. So, what exactly is data science? In simple terms, it's all about extracting insights from raw data using scientific methods, algorithms, and artificial intelligence. Think of it as a blend of mathematics, statistics, and computer science, all working together to make sense of complex data. Now, how does data science actually work? It usually involves 5 key steps. First, data collection. This is where you gather data from various sources like websites, sensors, or databases. Next, data cleaning. You remove errors and inconsistencies to make that data usable. Then comes exploratory data analysis, or EDA, where you understand patterns and trends within the data. Machine learning and AI are next training models to predict outcomes and automate decision-making. Finally, data visualization and reporting, presenting insights in a meaningful way using charts and dashboards. Data science is literally everywhere. Here are just a few industries benefiting from it. In healthcare, AI detects diseases and predicts patient risks. In finance, it's used for fraud detection and stock market analysis. In e-commerce, think personalized recommendations on platforms like Amazon and Netflix. In sports, it's all about analyzing player performance and game strategies. And for self-driving cars, AI models process real-time road data. So, you want to become a data scientist? Here are the skills you need to master programming, especially Python and R statistics and mathematics. Machine learning and AI. Data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau, big data tools, think Hadoop and Spark, and of course problem solving and critical thinking. And there you have it, a quick introduction to data science. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome AI and tech content. Comment below what topic you want me to cover next.